guides our visitors to destinations where they can eat fresh shellfish, where they can buy at local fish markets, and some locations actually where they can go harvest shellfish.
Well, the best thing to do, of course, is swim with somebody that's done it before. Make your world really small and look straight down. And when you see one scallop, look around because they're usually in groups.
This is old Florida. This is what Florida looked like before it was developed. We take some of the local Gulf shrimp and we wrap them in a cherry wood smoked bacon, and then we sear them on a high temp cast iron skillet. As a chef, makes it amazing to have the ability to literally go from dock to table or farm to table, you know.